In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add business registration number in Xero. Adding your business registration number helps keep your organization compliant and make sure the correct details flow through to documents like invoices and quotes. Before we start, have your official registration number handy, the exact one issued by your local authority, such as a company number, ABN, NZBN, or similar. Use the legal registered number rather than a trading or internal code. First, go to Xero. Open your browser and head to your Xero account. If you're prompted, sign in as usual. If you manage more than one organization in Xero, make sure you're viewing the correct one so the number is stored against the right business. Next, open the company menu. You'll find this in Xero's header bar. It may appear near your organization name or as a drop-down labeled company. This menu is where Xero groups the higher level settings for your organization, so it's the quickest path to the admin pages we need. From there, click on Settings. This takes you to the central hub for configuring how your organization appears in Xero. Think of it as the control panel where legal details, branding, and other organization-level preferences live. If you don't see settings under the company menu, your user role might not include access to organization settings, so you may need to ask an administrator to adjust your permissions or make the update for you. On the settings page, select Organization Details. This section stores your legal and trading names, addresses, and the essential identifiers your business uses. It's the authoritative place for Xero to pull information that appears on customer-facing documents and reports, so accuracy here matters. Now add your business registration number. Locate the field labeled Business Registration Number, or the equivalent for your region, and enter the number exactly as issued by your authority. Match the official format. Use upper or lowercase as required. Include or omit spaces and punctuation according to local rules, and avoid extra characters. If you copy and paste, double-check that no hidden spaces have slipped in at the start or end. A quick tip: if your country uses several identifiers, make sure this field is for your general business registration, not a tax ID, unless Xero labels it that way in your locale. Once the number is in place, review it for accuracy. This ensures your documents reflect the correct legal information and helps prevent delays with customers or regulators. That's it. Your business registration number is now recorded where it belongs in Xero. If the layout in your account looks slightly different, don't worry. Interfaces can vary by region and updates, but the path remains the same. Company menu, settings, organization details, then enter the number.